want to say we near the daily high, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. I'll do the breakdown in a second.
Need a good Friday, man. Quick one if possible.
Man, I have to promise you. Yeah, I'm with it too, Trey. I just seen your text. That's fine with me. So just make sure you cancel that other one so they don't charge you.
Oh yeah, I already canceled it. It's cool.
Yeah, I'm about to do it right now. So I don't forget.
That's why I went ahead and did it.
Yep. It ain't no big deal. I'm with whatever niggas with.
Hey, also, you remember we talked as well. I know next month I'm about to start getting more hands-on with a lot of things and stop just, watching and checking everything out. You can hear me?
But you've been here though.
Yeah.
But you've been here though. That's really the most important thing. And I hope it's making a little more sense day by day.
Oh, most definitely. I'm trying.
That's all that really matters. It'll be good now. All right, like Roger said, we in a range. What's new? The daily printed bullish yesterday after coming into this support area right here. So this candle has now came down, made a bottom wick. So price action says that after coming down, making a bottom wick. Now I'm funny. After making a bottom wick, if it re-breaks its own high, it should fill this wick right here. But let me just go ahead and go to the 1 hour to mark on my support and resistance levels. So we real choppy and in a range like we said. So shit, right here above this, same support, same resistance. Looking to probably come up into like this level right here. Long targets probably somewhere up into here, I'd say. And then as far as sells, it's dumb choppy. So I mean, you can just try to wait till under here, but we'll just have to see how sales start to formulate because it's just real choppy on the way down, real choppy on the way up. So I would just anticipate looking for some impulse entries or some volume to carry us where we need to go. So the daily high is 3785.2. 3785.2 right there. So we'll just have to see what happens when news drops. If it's gonna spike one way or another. So sometimes news doesn't do nothing, but sometimes it does. So with whatever, I just want to break out of the range. So like I said, there's 8:30 news, not GDP, but of course DC price index.
Is my mic on?
What up? Yeah, it's on now.
All right, bet.
It's on now. Make sure all my copy trading stuff is open. Good. Everything's open. Oh, what's new? We in a range. For some reason, if it breaks these highs, I do think it's gonna go up after grabbing those lows real quick, which would be the daily break-in. Let's see. I might go ahead and set my sell stop or my buy stop. Break of the daily highs. 3585.2. So 1 lot. Let's see what it do. That's just the daily breaking the daily highs after creating a bottom wick. Gotta be quick with your trigger finger though. You don't have a stop loss like I always be saying.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Order filled.
Ooh.
Ooh, keep pushing. I'm quick to stop loss and break even. I can't lie to you. Cause oof, seemed like 10, 12. Come on, man. All right, seen it keeps re-breaking its own high. I'm up 16. So I think I should go stop loss. Ugh, not yet. Damn. It's stopping for a reason though. I have to replay my song. Let's see. If it can break it one more time, I'm definitely gonna stop the break even, but I ain't gonna let it do it 3 times. I done seen 15 and 16. Damn. Gotta be quick with the exit. It starts pulling against you real bad. This done took too long now. Come on, man. Push. Ooh. Come on now. Come on now.
Moving crazy.
Yeah, facts. I'm trying to see if it can hold out for me. But if it keep breaking down, I'm gonna have to call it. Let's see. I'm down 20-ish. Ooh.
Order filled.
Yeah, I called it. Oof. All right. Damn. I seen like 17. Fuck.
That shit was quick as fuck.
Did you take any profit on that?
Hell nah.
Bruh. I seen like 17. I
Yeah,
wound up closing.
That shit got
Damn,
from
that's so
17 to negative 10.
Facts. Damn, and that's why I was like, I should have. I mean, woulda, coulda, shoulda. You crying over spilled milk at that point, but woulda, coulda, shoulda. Damn, caught that shit, or put stop loss and break even at least. Let's see. No big deal though. See, that's a big loss on them accounts, some bigger accounts. I'm gonna see if I can get that shit back though. No stress, no stress. Damn, all I was waiting on was one more push. And what's ass is likely to still go up. I just can't sit in those pullbacks. Bruh, it hit right into like this little area right here. And I just knew, oh man, around that 30-minute resistance right there. And see, that's the impulse entry though. The impulse entry is gonna make you either have to cut risk or what have you. But it's all good though. Let's see. Because I still like the buys. I just didn't want to give the full push yet. Damn, bruh. I seen 17. I just knew it was going to push for that last little 10 to 15 I wanted. And it's back near my entry. And now the 5 minute about to open. And it's about to go up. After making a bottom wick. That shit ass. I gotta be real meticulous about this next entry though, because I don't want to fuck the bag up. Damn. Because it's about to come back and re-break it. That's so lame. Bro, come on, man. That's that bullshit. My entry was 3785.3 and it just got to 3788 right there. Literally.
That shit was quick as fuck.
Yeah, I mean, I was in it for 1 minute 53 seconds, but it felt faster than that.
I ain't even had time to really like look at it and place it.
I see, bro. You got in late as hell. I heard you getting late.
I know.
I heard it.
It's all good though.
Yeah, it's all good. It's what it is. Oh, yeah, I mark it up. Damn.
I'm glad I went low risk. I'll tell you that.
Shit. Lucky you. I ain't go like high or low. It's just, I mean, a normal loss, 760. But I'm trading a lot of accounts though. Like I always say, the same way I make it is the same way I can lose it. But let's see. So I mean, it really wasn't nothing but the break of the daily high. Like, damn. I was just trying to get 30, bro. Trying to get 30. And then yeah, it wasn't no real stops. Unless you're trying to use that 5 minute low right there. So I'll just move this over. Same way you can make it is the same way you can lose it. Try to make your winners bigger than your losers. We start rejecting out of here, just fall back in the range. That's gonna be nasty. Break of daily high. Damn, bruh. Spill milk, can't do nothing about it, but damn, I wish I would have went stop loss or break even. Entry on break of daily high. I said if it breaks on high again, I'll go stop loss or break even. That shit kinda did, but really didn't. Entry on break of daily high. No real stop loss as 5 minute candle pushed a lot from the bottom. Saw 17 pips. Could have went stops to BE, but can't cry over spilled milk. It is what it is. Yeah, entry on break of the daily high. And I anticipated, I mean, it's still probably gonna happen, but after the daily created that bottom wick coming down here and flip back up, I just knew it was gonna start filling that wick up, and it did not. Saw 17 pips profit, cut the position at 5, I believe it was 24 on this account, 27 on that account, so minus 25. I'll call it in the middle. Look at these 5 minute candles now. Well, we wanted something quick, Roger. Didn't want to bless us.
It's a little appetizer loss. I'm tripping on it.
Yeah, I just rather not for no reason. Like I said, it's just like my judgment wasn't skewed in that. I wish I would have, but it's just like a whole would have. You ain't nothing you could do about it. But it'd have been nice to go BE on that. We only got 6 people in here. He said it's just an easy. Damn.
I shouldn't even have taken it. But I wasn't even looking.
Yeah, you was way too late to the party. I got the right entry, 3785.2.
I was trying to find it. I'm like, damn.
3785.2 on that candle. I saw 3787.2. Well, with the spreads, it was probably 2 to 3%. So I saw 17 to 18, bro. And that's usually enough for me to go break even. Like I don't usually take no loss after seeing that, but it's all good. We only got 6 people in the set. Everybody done exhausted themselves.
They keep telling us about this 4 days in office shit next month. Like, I ain't trying to hear all that.
We'll see. I mean, I would love to get it all back, but it's only 760. That ain't really that crazy on when I trade threes. Even if I just got the 760 back, but I might go a little 4-ball on the next one. We'll see. I gotta love it though. I gotta really love it because right now we just in a range. Damn, bro. Up. I said I pulled that. I pulled that stop loss up too. I sure did. And I said, I want to let it work a little bit. It got in profit. Came back down. Got in profit. Came back down. I heard you enter 10 seconds later.
Yeah. Trying to do 2 things at once and shit.
Always get you. But we can start clearing these lows out. That'd be all right. Damn. Glad I don't be holding though. Holding that bag. Only thing. Sign up. Make a John A. White. In the course tomorrow. I know that would have cooked for least. He ain't cooked already. That boy probably out of there. But the way it's looking. What you say, Roger? Nah, 45.
That's after 10. Well, see you Monday.
Man, hey. Call me Tonio. I promise you.
After 10 on a Friday, that's diabolical.
Man, I'll take my little loss. Not playing. And then that, like I said, that was a loss that definitely could have been avoided. So like that's why I'm like a little bit. Even on the best days, you see. I mean, even on your bad trades, you see 15 to 20. Back in the day, niggas used to hope to get 15. I don't know if even guys that count no more, Brandon. I ain't gonna lie to you. And then after I got out that shit, I knew exactly what's gonna happen. I was like, bro, this shit about to feel that. But I still probably wouldn't even, I don't know, I might have taken profit, maybe. Because my entry was 3785.2. That's bro, 27 pips. But I'll wait on the 30 now.
All right. Meeting over. Let's get to it.
Bad.
I can focus.
Bad. I want it to break this high again because if it breaks this high, it's gonna clear all this range out.
What's that high? I gotta zoom in on the number. To 37.88.
I got exactly. Let me not do nothing too hasty.
What you gonna throw on that?
Like I said, I like it, man. If I like it, I usually throw a 4 for my second trade. But what I don't want to do is have a great week turn nasty by forcing something. And I've had some pretty good, I won't call it luck. I've had some pretty good fortune by lotting up slightly on my second position of the day if I do take a loss. But one thing I don't want to do ever is get my heart racing just because I took a loss on my first one. You don't want to force the second one. And I ain't gonna say a bigger, I mean, it's not a big loss, but it's a bigger loss. I lost 23 pips when I usually try to keep it like 15, 16, 17. So just gonna be a little mindful of that.
I just need my clean breakout trades, man.
Exactly. Like I said, it did exactly what it needs to do. It just came right up into this 1 hour resistance level right here. 1 hour resistance level right here. And usually during news candles, especially after it grabbed all this volume to the downside, broke these lows, that when it starts flipping up and breaking highs, it just push. But I still think with the daily price action that we're still going to keep pushing up. It's just like I be saying with the way that I trade and the way that I scout, you talking about your real stop loss being all the way down here on the break of the day, daily high. It's like, I ain't sitting in that. So with trading like 5-minute candles and stuff, bro, I can't sit in minus 35, minus 40. I can't do it.
It's like I only be trusting them with 930, man.
Yeah. Like I said, I mean, I saw 17. So it ain't like it was anything wrong with it. It just was what it was in that instance specifically. Gotta live and die by it, of course.
If I only get out of these side by sides, it's good.
And what's annoying is, like I said, usually if I take a loss, it's because like I just cut that shit, as I always will. And in this instance, like I got in way the hell up here. Like I wouldn't have wanted to sit in any sort of drawdown way down here, like 70 pips. But shit, the entry candle was down here. That's 90. If you ain't out of it, if you use that as your stop loss, you still ain't out. You only in 10 pip drawdown. But I just can't sit through all that shit. But I'll see how it end up.
James,
Yes, sir.
we waiting until 9 o'clock.
I'm likely waiting until 9 o'clock. Yes, sir.
See if it was safe to go grab food real quick.
It's plenty safe. We ain't doing nothing. Even on a break of the highs, I probably wouldn't take it again. I'll just wait on the closure above. Which way we gonna go? Which way we gonna go? I'm probably, let's see, 7 minutes. I ain't taking nothing until a closure probably at this point, especially after taking a loss first. So I'm gonna go walk and I'll be back before 9.
That was only news too, huh?
Yes, sir.
Magical.
Yup. that damn news, bruh. Usually when news is in play, that's when that should be moving. You just gotta hope you in the right direction at that point. New 9 a.m. candle open. 9:15 can just go ahead and close above it. Or yeah, 9:15 close above this. I'll take that bitch up into here. Looking good inside. Like I couldn't have been a part of all that. Appreciate y'all tuning in on YouTube. Drop a little like, subscribe, all that good shit. If y'all got any questions, all we doing now is waiting on a little closure since my impulse entry didn't want to play out for me. Took an impulse entry on the break of the daily highs, anticipating that it'll push through all this shit. Seen about 20, 18, and then it started pulling back on me, so your boy got out. Don't need to get it all back in one swoop. We'll see what the next opportunity looks like. Appreciate you tuning in, Grant. Was the sunny days even playing? It was playing. That's why I was pushing. Hell, I'll go to the 1 minute candle. This is what I was a part of. Unfortunately, I was a part of this as well. Isn't it crazy? I needed a little more. My entry was 85.2 right here. And the 1 minute candle seen 18, 19. the next 2-minute candles just fall out now. And I'm not about to sit in no 40 pip drawdown when I'm trading these 6s and 8s. That's what's not happening. But then the next couple candles are pushing up again. A lot again. Pushing up again. Ranging. So let's see. Come back regardless for sure. Exactly. That's why I'm not trying to like force nothing right now. Honestly, as much as I want to get that back and then some, it's like the last thing I want to do is take 2 L's by not following my plan. If I took another L and I just took another L, that's fine. But if I'm not following my plans,
man, we finna get it, man. We finna get this dub, bro.
I think so too.
Yeah.
I just need to keep breaking
It's
up.
a minor setback for a major comeback. That's all it is.
That's all. I was on that Lucci this morning at the gym. Boy, he came back with a purpose. Boy, bring a tear to my eye with one of them songs. Bruh. I felt that pain, bruh. I started thinking about when I was fucked up. I was like, bruh, I ain't have shit. I couldn't sleep, bruh. That shit's so hard. All right. Woulda been back in profit. Woulda. That bullshit.
Hell no.
Shoulda.
We're gonna hold that long.
Boy, what? Boy, that's hope. Hope is not a strategy. But if you got the account size for it, oh my god.
I like it.
Me too. Go ahead and jump the gun again. It's gonna break that high and go. I already know. That's that bullshit, man. The price action on a daily time frame shows that once we broke down, broke its own high, that it's gonna come up and fill this wick at minimum. At minimum. But it's when are you gonna have a good entry for it to get up there? And when it breaks that wick, actually gonna push up past that. But I just want a little closure, like right here, wick down, take it on up into here and beyond.
Come on now, 15, hurry up.
Yeah. All right, just broke the highs again. Up.
But he's getting seating as if he is top.
Feel like he gonna do it. Forget that.
I don't know. We'll see.
Let me get back to my closure bag, man. Down.
That's 9:30. But the break of that daily low yesterday played out just fine and easy. But it's just, gotta live and die by it. Gotta live and die by it. If you gonna do that. But that was 9:30 though. I think it was a 9:30 candle or something like that. Oh my goodness, bruh. Fuck. But like you said, who gonna sit in all that pullback? Now I want to act right, huh? Just re-breaking, bro. Just re-breaking them daily highs. Damn. Wick has been filled. Mind you, this is the 5-minute candle. Mind you, I took a loss on that. Damn. Well, there's that wick fill, but it still got range to go up. It ain't nothing in the way still. Up into like that area right there. Like I always be saying, like, bro, it done ran so much already. I want it to close right there, not all the way up here. That's an extra 40 pips away from where I would have wanted a closure. But we'll see. Like I said, I got that. I had that blue line there just as a sense of where the wick fill was on the daily. We still should be straight up into this daily resistance right here. Should be at minimum. This just keep on breaking up. Probably waiting on a pullback.
About 4 minutes left and some change.
Yeah, I need this. Start pulling back, bro. This is really close to the daily resistance. It honestly should keep running though.
It's not my business.
Nah, it's not. It's truly not. It's truly not. Damn. And it's funny because, like, especially after taking the first loss, the last thing I want to do is buy right there on another break of the daily high try. You know, it's like, it sounds good, but it's like, man, you don't want to take that second L on just some impulse shit. If it leaves range, I'll still try my hand at it for sure. Because I mean, we honestly and truthfully should come up into like here. Like, we still got a lot of range up. I just had this zone marked off for finding this resistance right there. Come on, 15 minute. Come on down. I need a stop loss because at this point, this is your stop down here. You gotta have a current candle, or I gotta have a current candle. And this is hella overextended too when you think about it. Like, all that, when folks be talking about like overextended, bro, this is the 1 hour candle. Like, it just broke this high and this high and these highs. Like, come on, man. And like I said, I got that line, that yellow line there, because that's the daily resistance. So if that's a daily resistance, that shit can tap that and fall the hell out. That's why I really would like a closure like down here more than I would be wanting to buy up here, because you talking about 15 pips of that resistance. And I think it's still, I mean, volume the way it is right now, I think it still should push past that with no issue. But if it can just like pull back and have a wick to fill first, like 10, 15, 20 pips on the wick fill, then you can take it up into there. So let's see. But I need a deep little pullback, no lie. If it closes like this, your range is getting real small to be trying to take a position. The volume is there though. 25 seconds. $20 seconds.
Okay, how we gonna play this out? Let me zoom in on the candle.
5, 4, 3, 2. What honestly might end up happening now is if a 15-minute close is bearish after making a new resistance, I slick will take it down. We done pushed up so damn much at this point that you would anticipate if it does even get up here and respects it, it can start coming down like it did here. But I'm not buying at this high with no bottom wick. It's just running. That's all it's doing. So I'm waiting on 930 most likely. Like this is fine. Because if it can just push up like this, I want to keep pushing up and then reject. And then if it rejects, closes bearish at 930, I have a stop loss above there, taking it down to here on the break of that low, anticipating a bit of a pullback because we are right at daily resistance. Now we just hit it. But if 930 does go ahead and just close above all this, then I'm still bullish on 5s. So I got 2 ideas in mind. Just gonna see which one plays out, but this is a daily resistance right here. So if it starts rejecting, be on the lookout. Probably gonna break its own low. What's up?
I've heard you say that about the bottom wick before. You always wait for a bottom wick to see if it's going to push up. What does a bottom wick tell you?
Where I put a stop loss. Right now, you don't have nowhere to get out if it starts pulling back against you. So if you got in right here, you either got to use this or this. So that's why I anticipate that candles need to make a bottom wick to actually give me a place to say, okay, this is the newly formed low. And if it breaks its own high, I definitely don't anticipate it breaking its low again. So that's what I look at for bottom wicks when I'm trying to buy, take a buy.
Okay.
Because a technical stop loss is down here. Until it breaks this low, this can come all the way down to flip up. So that's why I gotta say, shit, with the size that I trade, I need to at least get a 20, 30, 20, 25 pip bottom wick. So we'll see if this can hang out right here. Like I said, we're right at a daily resistance. We're at a daily resistance. So we can get candles to start rejecting out of that daily resistance, not run off. I'm anticipating the same way this made a move up. It's the same way at 930. If it start breaking these lows, they can make a move down. But if it just keeps re-breaking its own lows, it might come down from there. We'll see. I'm in no rush. There's a lot of time left for this 30-minute closure. I ain't gonna lie. So we'll see what this does. But I definitely would wait on a closure, whether I want to take a buy or a sell at this point. Man. Yeah, so I'll be back. I'm not doing nothing for the next 8-9 minutes. So when I get a 9:30 closure, if I got a newly formed resistance right here, I may take it down. If it's too close to this range right here, I may have to wait on it again. But if it starts flipping back up, breaking highs again, and closes like above here, then I would anticipate it can fill this still. So I'll be back. All right, let's see. All right, Roger, what are we looking at, bro? What you looking at? 30 minutes about to close. Rejecting out of all these resistances right here. 15 minutes about to close back in the range. If I get a decent entry, I may take an entry on the break of them lows, like the trade from a couple days back. My entry was 37.
Yeah.
We'll see. We will see. But if this shit just keep on falling, bro, it ain't nothing I can do. I'm gonna keep an eye on this little area right here. If it rejects out of that, I don't know. But if 30 minutes starts closing, bro, and I'm telling you, bro, it tapped right into that resistance. Right there, perfectly. And just start melting down. Newfound resistance up here. There. If it keeps rejecting out of here, I don't know though. 55 seconds. Because right now it's already 28 pips from entry right now. I wanted to close a little bit lower if I was going to take that position. If it closes above, the 30 minute would be closing above, meaning that even though the 15 minute is bearish, it's still in that direction. So if this 5 minute is the high, or is the I can use this as an entry on the break of this 5-minute high, depending if I get a down wick for the next candle. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna just have to see, because the 30-minute is still about to ultimately close bullish. I'm gonna see if it closes a bullish above here though. If it closes kind of in this no man's land, I don't know. 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4. It's not bad though. If you anticipate 9:30 volume to push you through it. But you had a 15-minute candle that closed bearish. You had a 30-minute candle that closed bullish, but it closed below this resistance right here. So I'm anticipating that 9:45 is likely when I would take my next position. If it breaks this low, it just might go ahead and go, maybe. But it did close bullish above here. So at any time, this could make a down wick to continue up. If I wanted to take a sell, it'll likely been if this closed under all this to my left, right there. But if this, now this 15-minute candle, 30-minute candle is making a wick down, retesting here. If it breaks that 5-minute high again during time of volume, it probably is gonna go. It just hasn't given a clear closure above here yet. So I'd rather wait on 9:45, even if it does start pushing up again. To take
I don't know.
Especially if it's my second trade of the day. Like I said, I'd rather call it where it is and force something. For real. Alright, so I think that 15-minute low just broke right there. Let's see if it actually goes or if it just kind of stutters around. Kind of targeting down into there, maybe. Antonio, what you looking at, man? What you thinking?
Well, I had marked off that sale Wickfield, but I didn't take it because it started pushing too much.
You talking about this right here coming down?
Nah, the previous one.
This coming down?
Yeah.
Rejecting out of the daily high?
I'm about to tell you. Let me go back to GC.
This fell so much. In 5-minute, I'm like, bro, I need that. That's what I need in my life.
Closure under 3792.4. I was just looking left, bro.
I just don't like the area this is in.
I don't either, because it can go either way. Like this, and then this can just keep coming down, but it don't be making no move though. Like it ain't making no real move.
It's just like I just don't like when we start getting back into ranges, bro. That's retarded to me.
Exactly.
But it's all good though.
Yeah, I'm gonna see what 9:45 got, because if 9:45 can close bullish back above the, I'll take that, anticipating that it can come on up. But if it just keep coming down and down and down, bro, I'm not taking nothing from this. And like I said, this is the 30-minute candle is still open. So if this can respect this low and start flipping back up, the wick is still gonna be filled on the 30. I just want to be a part of it with the best entry. So about 10 more minutes likely. If I would have taken that sell, would have seen about 20 again. Price good for that little 17, 18, 19. All right, it's working. It's working. The real move is the buys, man. The real move is the buys. So it just made its down wick. 5-minute candle about to close hella bearish, or yeah, hella weak bearish. Next 5-minute candle probably is gonna start breaking this high. What I want is I wanted to just leave range to come up. I just want the wick to be filled on the way up. So this can start breaking all the way up into here. That's fine. But I just want to have a closure above this area, and then a down wick on the next 15-minute candle, and then that target is this wick fill right here. Let's see if that can happen. All right, so that 5-minute high just got broken right there. Time of volume, 30-minute candle breaking its own high, even though we had a resistance right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the 15 minutes since that's the candle I'm waiting on now. If that can perfectly break down, have broken that low, close above all these, bro, it has no reason to not come up into here. It just don't need to run off right now.
Oh, it's about to.
Nah, I see it because it's 9:30. So being that it's 9:30 and it just broke that weak bearish high, it's just getting going. But if it can just stay right here, but if that bit push up again, I don't know, bro. Because I'm really not trying to buy no daily highs. We saw what happened when not daily highs, my fault. At daily resistances, we saw what just happened. So if this can close like slit like this, that'd be good. A newfound resistance after breaking the lows, and then push up. So 8 minutes, 19 seconds. I feel very confident about that move because the 30-minute candle still got to be still on the way up, irrespective of that low. Now it's going to come up if it can break this high again. And you still got the wick fill, which is 60 pips. Like, bro, you can't tell me I'm not getting 30, 35 out of that. Come on now. But if we just hang out in this range, no good. Come on now. Don't do this. Come on, bro. What? Come on, come on, come on. I need a good ass move to rectify what just happened to me on that first one. It might give it, man. It might. If it can stay out of this. Come on, man. 5 minutes. Keep pushing up. If this 5 minute can close bullish, that'd be good because the next 5 minutes is likely to come up and fill the wick on the 5 minute candles. So just looking for a closure above this to the left on the 15 minute chart right there. Close back under here. I don't love sales, I can't lie. Just because this could just be this candle wicking down off of here. But 5 minute just low, establish strong bearish. So if it start breaking this low, I don't know. Close under, breaking this low, filling this wick right here. Hopefully it comes on down or comes on up. Boy, sound defeated.
Nah, not defeated. Just oh,
Boring,
feeling
bro.
right about it.
Come on, bro. I'm not taking the sales on this. Like, this ain't where I'm trying to take sales at. And I will wait until 10 to see, but bro, it's Friday, bro. I'm not trying to do all that shit.
Perfect.
Come on, 5 minute push and break the highs. You got 2 minutes. This shit can close bullish above this resistance right here. I have a buy stop on a break of these highs likely, or if it closes above, like right there, I'll use a 5 minute, this 5 minute high, and have a buy stop on a break of that high. So I got options.
I got a minute or so left.
Yep. This 5 is pushing. It's pushing. Let me pop back in and see if something about to happen. Come on, man, please. I'm trying to beg these markets or nothing, but damn. We rejecting, bro. We keep rejecting out of the same resistance. 30 seconds. Just keep on pushing. Keep pushing up. I don't want to force nothing. I really don't. But I still just like the move if it just keep on continuing and break its own highs. There we go. Come on. Let me go down to the 5 minute. 1 minute. Come on. Can't use this low. Man, that shit should fill all this. No lie. That's a whole wick fill on the 30. That's a 15 closing outside the range. $37 seconds. Brian, and I'm gonna say it now. I want a bottom wick. I'm not using a 65 pip stop loss right here. I want a bottom wick. I'm looking at the 15-minute candle closing above here. Even if it closes like this, no, that's fine. I want a bottom wick to give me my stop loss. I will either enter on the break of the 5-minute high or the break of the previous 15. Even if it closed like this, that's fine. And so let's see. I'll just put it up there for now. Let's see. That's only a 22 pip stop on the break. Or no, my fault. That's a 34 pip stop from where it is right now. So let's see. I'm looking for an entry though. It's about to break the 5-minute high soon. I'm gonna go ahead and put it there for now. And if I move it down, I just move it down. That's the re-break of that high right there. 37.91. The re-break of the 30-minute high after it came down, made a bottom wick. Stop loss, 35 pips. Y'all know me, I'm scary, so I probably wouldn't even hold for that full 35 pip stop. It just broke that 5-minute high right there. Let's see. We can push on up and fill this wick. Come on, bro. Please don't hold me 2 times. I ain't looking to hold for too long. Probably my standard 25 to 30 pips is what I'm looking for.
Like this, so give me 20. Shit.
That's the re-break of the high on the 30-minute candle after it done made a bottom wick. 15-minute candles have closed above now. These resistance to the left, albeit small. Anticipating that if we go ahead, start breaking up here again, should be good to go on up. Could have used a 5-minute high as an entry if you got a down wick first, but it's safer to go ahead and just use this entry, even though it's 15 minutes later. Come on, man. Do me right this time. No cap, you should be good into like this high right here, bro. But if it's a 43 pip-ish TP, I know I can get 25, 30. I feel comfortable.
Stop filled.
Pull this up. It just rebroke its own high, albeit by a little bit. Put my stop down here. And they just start pulling back on me nasty. I call it a day and go on until the next day. So, re-break of the high on the 30-minute candle right there. Come on, man. Do me right.
Come on, just keep pushing.
Up 12, up 9. I've seen like 12 so far. Just keep re-breaking your own high.
That's all.
My fault. I seen 13 again. Come on. I think that's it. I seen from this entry 6:15. So still in. I ain't done nothing yet. Come on, man. Don't do me that. I'm still in. I'm looking at minus like 8, minus 5. Back to break even. We got another 5-minute candle closing in 50 seconds. So I'm just simply using the 15-minute time frame. That was a resistance created, retest of support or resistance, bottom wick. Come on, man. Push. If it can re-break its own high again, Guess I'll go stop loss and break even. I said that last time, but come on, bro. 37.87.8 is my stops. Oh my god. Ooh.
Order filled.
Oh my god. Bro, what the hell is going on? Oh my god. I just got out. Bruh. Oh my goodness. Minus 24. I mean, if you ain't got out yet, you still ain't out. But Jesus Christ. All the week facts. Bruh. And then it didn't even hit my stop yet. My stop was down here. If it respects that and goes up, I'm definitely gonna be pissed. Bruh, are you serious? Bro. Did you hold that, Roger? Did you hold it?
I cut it, but shit went down too fast, bro.
Bro, are you serious? 23. Oh my god. And now it's about to get back into profits. Let's see. He said I held it. I mean, yeah, that's shit. When that shit started dropping, I'd be cutting that shit. Well, that is gonna hit stops. So that is a hell of an end to a week. Shit. Man. Seen 20 on the first one, seen 16 or 17 on the second one, and no follow through. Yeah, I'm with you, Brandon. I'm definitely about to call it a week. But it's still respecting that support, but I'm not about to keep on playing with this shit. Bro, are you kidding me? Man, that's some bullshit. That's 2 fucking buys. Man. It's back in the profits. Or not profits, sorry, back in your entry.
Yeah.
Must be nice, Daryl.
No, it ain't. It ain't. My stomach getting knots over here. I don't know what I'm doing.
See. Well, back in the profits. That's such bullshit.
I'm mellow.
That was a nasty day, man. Fuck. It's all good though. See, it's holding that support, holding that resistance. Is it gonna go or is it gonna reject? Bro, there was nothing in the way. That's what's killing me though. That's insane. $5-minute fair value. I mean, it can definitely just keep respecting it. I mean, until it breaks this low and falls the hell out. Definitely keep respecting it.
Fuck.
You telling me? Man, 1 day away. I was 1 trade away. Man. That is such bullshit. Because that shit back in profits now. Bro, fuck. But it's okay. It's all good. It's about to go up and it's gonna piss me off, so I probably should get off this shit. I cut it at 37.88.7. My stop was 87.6. So, and what usually saves me an extra 10 pips in this instance could potentially have caused me to get out early. But there's no guarantee. It was around break even if you still held it. So woulda, coulda, shoulda held. Woulda, coulda, shoulda cut it. But that's some bullshit. 2 trades today that went up, down, up. And then this one. Bro, and then the way it fell too was just so nasty. Like, this is what I'm looking at. Boom, fallout. Let me go and mark that up.
Who was yet? It's still ain't in profit.
You say what?
It still ain't in profit yet. I'm not out the woods yet.
Yeah. You might wanna. It's coming down.
Yeah, it is.
It's coming down. Man, yeah. Stop. But my entry from over here, it did get back in a little bit of profit. My entry was 37.91 even. It got to 37.91.6 on the next entry. Why, Brandon, why you hold on? Why you hold it? Man.
I had my finger on the trigger when y'all got out, so I just held it and kept the faith.
I mean, it just keeps retesting the support.
Yeah.
The resistance. I keep calling it support. It's resistance. It's just retesting it over and over. Because if it now breaks this high after coming down and getting people out of those lows, it's likely to go, but I gotta be there. That guy. You still holding it, Daryl?
Oh, sir. I'm out now.
It got you out by that?
Yeah, but I traded a little bit last night, so I had a little cushion. So yeah, I'm still in the green for the day. I'm not gonna lie.
It must be nice.
No, it
bro.
hurt. It hurt. It still hurt. But
bruh, it's the wick fill. The wick is about to be filled. My goodness, bro. Brandon, did it get you by 1 pip? Oh, I'm saying full stop with it. Oh, okay. Yeah. Full stop definitely would have been hit for me. I think, at least. Spreads, unless I had it. Unless the spread saved me. But Roger the man. Wow.
It's crazy, bro.
Bro, what do you even say about this? You can't say nothing. Man. Why? Bro. Like, what are we doing here? What are we doing here? And this 5-minute candle about to close. The next 5-minute candle about to make a bottom wick and go ahead and fill this range on out for the wick fill. Man, and the real thing is, if you can have your stop just like down in here or like a little bit under the range just to let it breathe a little bit if it want to come back and retest. It didn't do nothing but retest it 3 times before making this move up. Like I said, I am definitely... Oh, that's a new 1-hour candle I was about to open too. Man, I'm about to try my luck. Nah, I'm probably call it though. I can't do nothing. Yeah, that's it. That's a wrap. I don't want to force nothing else. Not that I have forced anything, but I don't want to force nothing.
Forcing though, if we do.
Yeah, I'm not forcing nothing. But it's definitely about to keep on making its way up and pushing into this wick fill here. Man, that's so ass. That shit killing me, bro. My entry was down here. And it's already pushed up 34 pips from it. Well, that's 2 trades that I took, 2 losses that I took, and both of them wound up playing out after the fact. That's just how trading goes sometimes. The volume just was not on my side while I was in the trades. That sucks. But all I can do is bounce back and wait on next week at this point. Bro, can't make this shit up. Cannot make this shit up. Perfectly tapped into resistance. Well, like I said, that's my week. So, did it update? Yeah, okay. Let's see. Playbook, breakout, 15-minute candle closed above the range. And it's so annoying having to put this shit in after the fact of it playing out. Let's see. 15-minute close above the range, 5-minute candle. Daily high about to break again. Do I try it again? No. Not at a resistance. Bro. There's just nothing to say. There's truly nothing to say.
That would feel. Well, I know it was revenge trading. I know I couldn't go out like that. I know that was wrong. I know, but I got my money back.
Took it.
Yeah, I got it back.
Volume.
Back in the green for the day. Yes.
Congratulations.
Appreciate you.
15-minute candle closed above and outside the range. Took entry on break of previous 15-minute high. Price pushed into profits. Fell out randomly. Cut it minus 23 pips. Price wound up, coming to retest resistance 2 times before eventually taking off. Yep, that's it. That's it, man. That's it. I'm calling it a week. I don't want to do any more. I don't want a revenge trade. I really don't want to, because there is another week to come. But trades are right. Just weren't on our side while I was in it. That was it. So this is my first entry right here on the break of the daily high right there. 85.3. Seen about 20. Fell down. This entry, same shit. Came up. Came down. Came up. Hit TP and beyond. So wick was filled as anticipated on the 1 hour and the 15-minute and the 30-minute. Damn bullshit. But I will definitely be back on it tomorrow. So I'll catch y'all next week.
All right, y'all.
All right, be easy.